You see, I have a problem. You see my watch over here? Every time I want to wear it, it's always not moving because I'm always swapping it out with my Samsung watch. And so it gets annoying when I have to rewind the watch every single time. So in this case, I'm just going to solve that problem by creating a rotating watch spinner. Will it work? We'll see. So this is week 1, day 1 of this project. I don't know how long it's going to take, but I will get there and have this watch spinning always. So let's get into designing. And here is the design we're going to be working with. So start off, this is going to be entirely plastic with 2 magnets on each side. So imagine this, but not hollow and just solid. 2 magnets here and another 2 here. And then we move on to the attachment part where I can just slot this in using the magnets and they go in, have two arms clamping together like this. Then we move on to the spinning part, the rotating part. So behind that would be a gear that moves with the motor unit and it just keeps spinning with gears behind it. That's the idea or the concept behind this. So let's get to work. Alright, so I have this done. Look at this. In less than, maybe I'll say 15 minutes. Now it's time to print and see how it looks. Alright, after designing this, it looks pretty good and solid. So magnets fit perfectly and the watch fits well. So this design is working so far. Let's design the second part. As you can see, the holder is done with the gear, and yeah, we're just gonna test print this. Alright, here's the part. After some post-processing, everything fits perfectly. Now it's time to put the magnets in. There you go. And this is the prototype done. Like, very, very done. Oh, I mean very, very prototypey. Yeah, look at that. Now, you see this gear bit? I was thinking that because it's gonna be rotating like this, I'll probably have like a fork in between these 2 pieces that hold it and just let it spin. Now, let me actually put my watch on there. My watch in there, and we're gonna put it in here. It's a bit weighty, I'd say. So it'll just be spinning like this. And then when you want to take it out, you just pull and done. And this is what we're left with. So whenever I want to watch, just pull And yeah, it works pretty well, if you say. Well, that's all I have for this week. That's how long I can work on it for. And you see, next week is the second gen where I have the actual moving part, and maybe we'll actually see it spin next week. So yeah, if you want to see this improve, stay tuned next week and like the video and subscribe.